Kenworth T2000 wasn't built to be luxurious. It was built to conquer highways, haul freight across continents, and outlast just about anything else on the road. But in the hands of the right builder, this rugged long-haul machine transforms into something truly remarkable. A full-sized motorhome that redefines what road travel can look like. At first glance, it's imposing. The sleek, aerodynamic design of the T2000 isn't just for show. It was engineered to reduce drag, improve fuel efficiency, and increase driver comfort over long distances. But when converted into a motorhome, that same body becomes the foundation for a rolling luxury suite, unlike anything a standard RV offers. Step inside a well-built T2000 motorhome, and it becomes clear. This isn't a weekend camper. It's a full-time living solution. Many custom builds include hardwood floors, leather recliners, full kitchens with granite or quartz countertops, residential-style appliances, and even walk-in showers. Think of it as a Class A RV, but on steroids, with better build quality, more power, and a far more commanding road presence. The T2000 typically houses engines like the Cummins ISX or Caterpillar C15, pushing out anywhere from 450 to 600 horsepower. That means you're not just cruising, you're pulling trailers, boats, or even vehicles without breaking a sweat. Pair that with an Eaton Fuller transmission and a chassis rated for commercial loads, and you get a powertrain designed for serious endurance, not weekend getaways. But this isn't just about raw muscle. What sets the T2000 motorhome apart is its long-haul comfort and durability. Most units come with massive fuel tanks, often over 200 gallons, plus room for large freshwater and gray water storage, solar panels, and generator systems. You can live off-grid for days, even weeks, without needing a hookup. The cab itself offers a superior driving experience. With air suspension, an elevated view of the road, and a cockpit designed for comfort over 10-hour days, it's far more relaxing to drive than many traditional RVs. You don't just sit in the T2000, you command it. Of course, a conversion like this doesn't come cheap. Depending on features and quality, you're looking at anywhere between $120,000 and $300,000. But compared to a new luxury RV that depreciates quickly and struggles with build quality, the T2000 holds its own as a serious long-term investment. It's not the right choice for everyone. It's large, it's powerful, it demands respect. But if you're looking for a motorhome that's tough, luxurious, and built to go the distance with style and strength, the Kenworth T2000 isn't just a truck, it's a statement.